All right, well, I've gotten a bunch of that stuff into the ground. Took a little longer than I would have wanted. Went pretty decently though. Got one of these ground cover ones here, the sedum, and I'd been hoping to split these up. This one and the other one, the one with the more kind of round leaves, and they didn't really want to split up the way I kind of expected them to, so I ended up just planting the whole thing in one section here. I'm gonna let it spread out under this tree, and then from there I'll take pieces and I'll bring them to other places in the yard. But anyways, got that here under this apple tree, and it's ready to go. I did also get the 2 ornamental Japanese maples. I bought these on a whim. They're just so pretty. Ended up falling for it, so I've got them in the ground. Put one here, and then another one around the corner here. So hopefully these will do pretty well here. I tried to get them far enough away from the house that we wouldn't have a problem. Hopefully I judged it well. We'll see. By the time we'll know if I didn't judge it well enough, it will be too late. All right, so on to another one of the ground cover. Got this one here. It is kind of a soft, fuzzy texture. Don't remember what it's called, some sort of cool looking ground cover. I did split this one, so this is only about half of it put in here, and I put the other half over in another section. Ah, shoot. I have 2 more that need to go in the ground. Well, I'm going to be putting this one in the ground here, and this one in the ground here. So, whoops, not done yet. Oh well. All right. On to the raspberry plants. I tried to spread them out nicely. Kind of put them around this area. This is an area that's a pain in the ass to mow around. So if I can get it to where I don't need to mow over here, should be good. I have 3 that should produce golden berries, and then 5 for red raspberries. Hopefully those do well and spread out. Take up this space nicely, I'm hoping. All right, on to some more ground cover. So this is that other sedum one. Again, it didn't want to split up too well, so I put the whole thing here in one section. I did put it in the garden. I'm hoping these will be good kind of ground cover for the garden. If not, well, can always move it somewhere else. On to the rhubarb. I've been wanting to get rhubarb, so when I saw it, it was an easy decision. I did put it here when I was mowing. So I mowed yesterday, and I found that mowing these little divot sections was not so good. So I'm just going to have it run straight across and be garden all the way through. So I'm cutting that out. I didn't cut all the grass out now, but I did a good section, and I got that rhubarb in there. So I'll be doing the other section too. Haven't even worked on that. And the last area over here, got a couple of different plants. Again, another sedum ground cover type plant. Didn't split it up, it's all here in one place. Got some gorgeous columbine. The color on this is just, that's part of what got me. It's that beautiful color there. And then this one here, this ground cover, I split up into a couple different pieces. I think I split that one into thirds, 3 different pieces. So I've got one here, got one over here by the bleeding hearts. Got it right here. And then I got the rest of this one, this fuzzy one, down here. And then I've got some of this under a tree over in the side, I think. If not, maybe I did split it in two, but I'm pretty confident I split that in three. So I guess I gotta go get those other two plants buried, and then we'll be done for real. All right.